Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to make one of Nigeria's most loved dishes, vegetable soup. Fresh, vibrant and packed with flavor. Let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to add my meats into a pot with chopped onions, seasoning cubes and salt with grounded pepper. Then we're going to give it a stir, and after stirring we're going to cover that and let it cook until it brings out some of its own juices. Now the meat has boiled, we're going to go in with our dried catfish fillet, and then we're going to add enough water for the soup. Then we're going to boil the meat until the meat is tender. This is going to give us that rich, flavorful stock for the soup. Once the meat is cooked and our fish has softened, we're going to go in with palm oil. When you add your palm oil, you're going to go in with your blended pepper mix as well. That's tatache, bell pepper, onions and scotch bonnet pepper. Then you go in with your iru seeds, your crayfish, and then you're just going to stir that gently and allow it to cook for a few minutes so the oil will blend with the stock. So now I'm going in with seasoning cubes. I'm also going to add in some salt and more crayfish. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to give it a stir and then I'm going to let it simmer so the pepper loses its raw taste and the soup develops a deep flavor. So while cooking, just keep checking on your spices. If you need more, you go in with more. If you don't, you leave it out. So this is it after 15 minutes. Now I'm just going to go in with my first leaves, which is the ugu leaf. I'm adding it in first because it's a bit firmer than the other leaves I'm going to use. I'm just going to give it a stir. After stirring it gently, I'm going to cover the pot to let it wilt a little bit, and then I will go in with my other leaves. So now for the second leaf, I'm going to use water leaves, and then I'm going to also go in with spinach. Now I'm just going to put them in, stir it quickly so you can keep it fresh and vibrant. So you're just going to cover the pot when you're done stirring and cook it on low heat for just a few more minutes. Let's say like 5 minutes, because you want your vegetables to still be fresh and very green and vibrant. You should also test and adjust your seasonings, okay? If you need more seasonings, just go in with it. If it doesn't, you can leave it as it is. Once everything is well combined, turn off the heat, and that's it. Our Nigerian vegetable soup is ready. So this meal is so versatile. You can serve it with your favorite swallow, pounded yam, eba, fufu, millets, or even rice. Some people eat it with rice. It's very fresh, it's very delicious, and perfect for any occasion. So guys, this is it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Enjoy!